It's all about the number of playing tricks in responder's hand. And I put and or the number of trumps. We're going to have two analyses. We're going to first analyze our hand for playing tricks to see if we want to make a call or not. And if the playing tricks doesn't go anywhere for us, then we're going to do the trump analysis. So there's always going to be two analyses. Well, I say always. If your playing tricks analysis says bid game, then bid game. You don't have to do the trump analysis. But if your tricks analysis says, no, don't bid game, then analyze for your trumps. And we're going to be applying the law of total trump with the trumps analysis. So responder uses the playing tricks analysis to determine the total combined tricks between preemptor's hand and responder's hand. Between preemptor's hand and responder's hand. Now in a major suit preempt, we have to divide this into two sets, major suit preempt and minor suit preempt, and talk about where are we headed. When partner opens a major suit preempt, then responder is looking at, can we get to 4 of a major or perhaps slam in a major? But it's the major suit calculation. So we're talking 10 tricks in the major, or 12 tricks in a slam, or 13. It has happened that I've bid a grand slam when my partner's opened a week 2 bid. It does happen, not very often, but you remember hands like that because you think when partner opens a preempt, okay, well, this is going to be a boring hand, but sometimes not so boring. So when partner opens a major suit preempt, we're thinking 10 tricks, 12 tricks, or 13 tricks. When partner opens a minor suit preempt, our mind is going to no trump, right? No trump game, so 9 tricks and no trump, or perhaps 12 tricks and slam, or again, 13. And it's all about, okay, we need 9 tricks. Can I count 9 tricks? If partner is promising me, let's say partner opens 2 diamonds, promising me 5 tricks. Can I count 9 tricks combined? 5 tricks in partner's hand and 4 tricks in my hand. And usually when you're considering no trump, it's a little bit more analysis than in your major suit analysis. You have to think, oh, well, do I have stoppers in the other suits? Am I balanced? Is this where we want to play? And then just bid 3-0. Now we're going to look at some techniques that responder can use to get more information out of the opening bidder to see if they're on the 4-point end or the 9-point end. And sometimes you have those in between hands where you need partner to tell you a little bit more about their hand.